Hi, today we are going to see Surdas ke Pad. Poet Surdas was born in the year 1478 at Sigi village nearer to Delhi. His father's name was Pandit Ramdas. His guru's name was Sri Vallabhacharya. Surdas was very honest and extremely have very good character, praiseworthy. His masterpiece works were Sursahar, Sursaravali and Sahitya Lahari. He was a soulful devotee of Lord Krishna and wrote poems with delegated devotee conscience. As an emotional poet, he merged with Krishna cult and his poems were outstanding and impression was bhakti on Lord Krishna. In his poems, childhood activities of Lord Krishna and his love to everyone has been detailed in simple and beautiful words. The Samhara of Kamsan, Madhuraganam were detailed in his poem along with Gopika's love, Rasa Leela, etc. with beautiful imagination like rainfalls. In his poetic works, he has given utmost attention to register calmness, beauty, affection to each and everyone. His poems were different from all others, have coincidence of factors and tragedy on other side. He had handled the language in Vrijbhasha, a musical one. It has sweet in its form and tone. It has powerful expressive consonants when written to creative one. The poet also used to mix words from Awadhi and Farsi to glorify his imagination to another level. He wrote all his poems in lyrical form and sound and proved that he was a separate identity from all others of his living period. His poems includes the smiley, metaphor, utprash, alliteration and irony font. His works has different color and sympathy and comedy average to make readers spellbound. During his lifetime, he stood first and foremost as a giant literate to his poetic works. Surdas during his lifetime honored by everyone for his individual outlook and mindset of honesty and a person of faith. The poet written this poem to show how devotees had love with Lord Krishna. Lord Krishna made everyone mesmerized his devotees to feel spellbound on him. Lord Krishna was in thought but not nearing them in spite of his love to them. Hence, Gopikas feel that they are not fortunate. The poet in brilliant way explains the mind of Gopikas and the scared love of Gopikas. Uddhav, tum hau adi badbagi, aparas rahat saneh gatai nahit man anuragi. Purayini paat rahat jal bhitar, ta ras dekh nadagi. Jaujal mah tel ki gagari, बूंदना ताकौ लागी प्रीति नदी में पावू ना बोरयु दृष्टि ना रूप परागी सूरदास अबला हम बोरी गुरु चांटी जो पागी. Explanation. In this stanza, the Gopikas telling to Uddhav, the friend of Lord Krishna, O Uddhav, you are fortunate. You are not prey to any kind of kindness tied with you. It is strange to say that you have no attachment with anyone and you are free from all the love. This is like a drop of water on the lotus leaf. Actually, though lotus is in water, the water drops were not mingled with the leaves of the lotus. This is detached attachment. You are like this. Even oil drops were poured into the pot where there is full of oil. The water will not mingle with the oil. The oil will float on water. Uddhav, you are nearer to Krishna and enjoying his love on you. You are swimming in the river of Lord Krishna's love, but you are away from him. Without expressing your love on him, you are always at a distance from his love. You will never show your love to him as gifted by him. This is really a wonder to all of us. We feel that you are not fortunate to feel love on Lord Krishna, but always you are with him and Lord Krishna is loving you extremely great. We are like a small ant. The ant will seek the sweetness of the candy and will be mingled with it, not knowing to separate from it. Like that, we are in love with Lord Krishna and living with his memory, forgetting everything of our daily needs. We were not able to separate ourselves from the sweet love of Lord Krishna. Our souls are with his soul, and in fact the Prabanja is the conscience of Lord Krishna. We will live in it and we do not know how to come out from Lord Krishna. If you like this video, please like, share and comment. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you.